Trying to fix a numbering list in Canva usually feels like fighting against the software because it tries to be too smart for its own good. You type a number and a period, and suddenly Canva takes over your formatting without asking. If you are stuck with a list that looks wrong or you need to switch from numbers to bullets quickly, I'm going to show you exactly where the hidden settings are to fix it in 2 clicks. Stick around until the end because I will show you a specific shortcut that lets you bypass the automatic formatting entirely, so you never have to fight with these auto-generated numbers again. The reason your list acts so wild is that Canva uses a snap to grid logic for text boxes. When you start a list, the software creates a parent-child relationship with your lines of text. It thinks it is helping you by keeping everything aligned, but it actually locks your spacing and indentations. This becomes a mess when you try to change a number midway through or if you want to swap to a different style. Instead of letting you edit individual lines, Canva treats the whole thing as one big block, which is why your formatting usually breaks the moment you try to delete a single number. To fix this right now, open your project and click directly on the text box that contains your list. If you are starting from scratch, just type the number 1 followed by a period and a space. Canva will recognize this and start the list for you. If you hit enter, it automatically generates the next number in the sequence. Now, if you want to change these numbers into something else, you need to look at the top toolbar. Click on the button that looks like a list with dots next to it. Clicking this once will instantly turn your numbers into bullet points. If you click that same button again, it transforms your list back into the numbers. If you want to go back to numbers, just keep clicking that button to cycle through the different styles until you get back to the original format. It is a simple loop, but most people miss it because it is tucked away in that extra menu.